Future development of AI and robotics technology and their impact on human life. Artificial intelligence, AI and robotics are rapidly evolving technologies that are transforming the way we live and work. In recent years, we have seen significant advancements in AI and robotics, leading to the development of new applications and technologies that were once considered science fiction. As these technologies continue to develop, they have the potential to significantly impact our daily lives. One of the most significant impacts of AI and robotics is the automation of tasks that were once performed by humans. This has the potential to significantly increase efficiency and productivity in many industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. For example, robots can be used to perform repetitive tasks in manufacturing, freeing up humans to focus on more complex tasks. In healthcare, AI can be used to analyze medical data and make diagnoses, allowing for more accurate and timely treatment. Another impact of AI and robotics is the potential for increased safety in hazardous environments. For example, robots can be used to perform tasks in environments that are dangerous for humans, such as in nuclear power plants or oil rigs. This reduces the risk of injury or death for workers and allows for safer and more efficient operations. In addition to these impacts, AI and robotics also have the potential to significantly change the nature of work and employment. As automation increases, some jobs that were once performed by humans may become obsolete, leading to potential job loss and a shift in the job market. However, this also presents opportunities for new jobs and industries to emerge, as the development and maintenance of AI and robotics systems will require specialized skills and expertise. Despite these potential benefits, there are also concerns about the impact of AI and robotics on society. One concern is the potential for job displacement and income inequality, as those who are not able to adapt to the changing job market may be left behind. Another concern is the potential for AI and robotics to be used for malicious purposes, such as in cyberattacks or as weapons. To address these concerns, it is important to carefully consider the development and deployment of AI and robotics technologies. This includes developing ethical guidelines and regulations for their use, as well as investing in education and training programs to ensure that individuals are equipped with the skills needed to adapt to the changing job market. One of the most significant benefits of AI and robotics is their potential to improve healthcare outcomes. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of medical data, helping to identify patterns and trends that can inform treatment decisions. Robotics can be used to perform minimally invasive surgeries, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. In addition, AI and robotics can be used to develop personalized treatment plans that are tailored to each patient's unique needs. Another potential impact of AI and robotics is the transformation of transportation. Self-driving cars powered by AI are already being developed and tested, and have the potential to significantly reduce traffic accidents and congestion. In addition, AI-powered transportation systems could make commuting more efficient and reduce the environmental impact of transportation. AI and robotics also have the potential to significantly impact education. AI-powered adaptive learning systems can provide students with personalized learning experiences, allowing them to progress at their own pace and focus on areas where they need the most help. Robotics can also be used to provide hands-on learning experiences, such as through the use of educational robots that can teach coding and programming skills. Despite these potential